Hello, and thank you so much for tuning in to Mitten's latest addition to our ClassyPress Enterprise product called the Campaign Grid. Now, this is an exciting new feature that allows users to display multiple Classy campaigns on a single web page. So let's dive right in. So, as you can see right here, this is a grid of various campaigns showcasing donors, dollars raised, the goal, the progress bar, the featured image, and a button that hyperlinks directly to the corresponding Classy page. And so, what does this look like on the back end? So this is a live example that we have available. This is the another version of it with the colors modified that you can see. And what does this look like on the back end? So this page right here is actually populated from just this little shortcode. That's it. So this page right here, if I go preview this page, it will generate that campaign grid. And the only thing added is that shortcode. So how is this possible? Well, the plugin works like this. Essentially, you have this new campaign grid feature in your plugin if you upgrade to Enterprise. And you can select all the campaigns that you want pulled in. By default, it's by most raised descending. So it starts with the most raised and then goes down. So you can see we have the Mittun mission campaign at 19.6, and then everything goes down from there. You can also do it by donors. You can also do it by date. And so you can do most recent or upcoming or events in the past, and you could have like a historical grid. We also have different options for the progress bar. You also have the different options for the colors and everything else. So the background color of this card design, display the name, change the color of that, display their image, display the donors. You can also determine how you're counting the donors. So if you just want to count by companies or just by individuals, or if you want to count all, then just leave it as is. You can also display the amount raised. And you can see all of these options are selected because that's how this has been populated. And so essentially, you copy this short code and you add it to a page, and then it adds this campaign grid, which is pretty cool. And so the most exciting part about this, though, is the campaign grid plus filter. So let's say you have a lot of campaigns that are tagged in a different way on the back end, like in your administrative system, but not in Classy, because Classy doesn't allow you to do that. Well, the Mittun integration for ClassyPress Pro, the campaign grid, allows you to do that. So essentially, you come into this grid plus filter and you can add some tags. So you create a tag, which is what is visible to the user. This is the backend version just for code. Don't worry about that. And then you select the campaigns that are associated with that tag. So if I select filter 1, it'll show these campaigns. If I select filter 2, it'll show these campaigns. So how do you do this? How many tags can you add? As many as you want. So I'll show you. So I'm going to add another tag. I'm just going to say filter 3 just to make it easy. You can see by default it gives it this name. And now I select the campaigns. So I'm going to select different ones that I didn't already select. So let me look. I'll select Save Our Pixels and Mitten Reads, because I don't think I selected those. No, I did Mitten Reads right there. So let's do Save Our Pixels plus Create More Good 2009 donation form, because I didn't use those. Okay, so let's do Save Our Pixels. And let's do the Create More Good test donation form. So now you select Update. And now since I added this new filter and this code is already added to this page, when I shift and refresh, it's just automatically going to add a new filter right here. Boom. So now if I select filter 3, it's only showing these two campaigns, because remember, in my filter 3, I only have these two campaigns selected. And so it's and logic. So by default, if you select more than one filter, it'll showcase all the campaigns that you've selected. So this really allows you to get creative. So if you have different districts or regions, you could say, filter 1, maybe it's called Texas, or it's California, or maybe it's by country, or maybe it's by region, district. If it's a university, it could be by college, College of the Arts, College of Science, however you want. And then when the user selects it, it breaks it down and showcases it. So it's a really cool feature for nonprofits, and it's a very simple lift once Mitten enables this for you. And so what the backend looks like from the plugin standpoint in the WordPress backend is it's an extension. So if you have our ClassyPress Pro plugin, you know it's a premium plugin for WordPress. You can see it right here, ClassyPress Pro. So this is the new campaign grid extension. It is an enterprise only feature. And once this is enabled, it then adds the new menu item right here. So then you could go new grid display. So I kind of showcased everything so far with starting from, not starting from zero, like we already had it. So let me just quickly show you starting from zero. Quick demo. Let's see how fast I can do this. So I'm just going to select a couple campaigns. I'll just select, let's just do 3 for now. I'll do by most raised descending. I'll do this progress bar. I'm going to display the title, make it black, and let me just display the image, and that's it. So I can just publish. So I can just show you how fast this really is. So once I click publish, in my preview on the right-hand column, it'll showcase the 3 campaigns ranked in order, but it won't showcase all the data because I didn't select all the data. So it'll literally just be the title in the image, which is still pretty cool. And to get this to populate on your page, you have to copy this code. Okay. But I want a little bit more details. So let's select some more details. Let's display the donors, and let's display it in red, and let's display the text amount in purple just because I want to Frankenstein this. Let's display the amount raised. Let's also display a donate button. Let's open it in a new window. Let's make the text white. Let's make the button background black just for high contrast. Let's also display the progress bar, the goal amount, all this good stuff. So now when I click update, check it out. This live preview will update in real time as soon as the page refreshes. And so once this does, let me grab this code just so I'm ready. So while this is rendering, let's see here. Boom. So you can kind of see. So now it looks like a nice little grid. And so all you do is you just create a new page, and your design team, your developer team can add this short code anywhere on your WordPress page or WordPress template. And so this is just a vanilla WordPress install, very basic, no extra styles, no page builder, nothing, just so you can see how it works out of the box. I add this code, I click publish. You can also just preview, you don't actually have to publish, but just because I'm doing a real demo, I might as well. So now let's view the page. And now you can see this campaign grid is, ranked in order from the most raised to the least raised. And it has this beautiful layout. It's fully responsive as well. And these donate buttons go right to the page instantly. And so if I wanted to add a filter to this, I would just come back in, go to my grid display and filter, and add the first tag. And then you would, select it like so, and then select your campaigns in question. I'll just add one just to make it super easy. So now once this reloads, then I'll be able to shift refresh this page over here. And then once I do that, it will showcase the demo. And so let me shift refresh this, and then this will reload. And now it has the filter. So now if I select this filter, only one campaign will show because I only selected the one campaign. So that's the new ClassyPress Enterprise feature with the filter. If you are interested in purchasing this or having it installed on your website, please reach out to us at support@mittun.com. That's SUPPORT@MITTUN.com. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.